Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we'll be looking at the quadratic formula. Now the quadratic formulas, we use this whenever you can use the factor method to factorize. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So all we're doing is basically substituting these values in this formula. But what is a? Now a is the coefficient of what's in front of the x term. B would be the coefficient of this as well. So let's put it in perspective. So therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to negative 10. So we're going to substitute these values. Now b is 10, so b is 1 rather, so minus 1 plus or minus b squared, which is 1 squared, minus 4 times a, the value of a is 2, and the value of c is negative 10, all over 2a. A is 2, so it would be 2 times 2. So all we did was just substitute the value. Let us simplify now. Alright? So x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus. Now if we square 1, that's 1, because 1 times is 1. Multiply this, 4 2s 8, and that we get minus 80. Remember there's a minus here, and this also works out to negative 8t. 2 times 2 is 4. Let us put things in perspective further. Now, if we have two negatives together, this is going to become a positive. So it's 1 plus the 80 all over 4. Alright, let's put it in perspective more. Negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 81 all over 4. So now we find the square root of 81. What number multiplied by itself give us 81? And that would have been 9. So we put the plus or minus over 4. Now we are supposed to get two solutions. First, we're going to take the positive, so it's negative 1 plus 9 over 4. And also, our next solution would be minus 9 over 4. So that's why we have the plus or minus, right? Because we're going to actually do for both. Let's simplify. This will give us 8 over 4, which is equal to 2. This one, both are negative, so that's negative 10 over 4. So x is equal to 2. And also, this works out to negative 2.5. So that would be our answer. Let's try another. Alright, so for this one, pause the video and try it, guys, and tell me what you get. For this one, it says x squared plus 2x minus 5. Again, we need the values of a, b, and c, so let's just figure that out. Remember, we're only taking the coefficient. The coefficient of x squared would be 1, b would equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 5. So let's plug these values in the formula. So negative b, that's minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 in this case, c is negative 5. Alright? And of course we have 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. We have just substituted the values, so let's work it out now. So this would remain to be negative 2 plus or minus. Now we square 2, that's 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 4 ones 4, and that 20. So this gives us negative 20 all over 2. So what we're going to do now is we know that this is going to become plus because we just did it, right? 2 negative become plus, so we're going to find the square root of 24 divided by 2. Let me get my calculator to see what's the square root of 24. So this tells me the square root of 24. We're just going to work out to 1 decimal point, 4.9. Alright? So it's minus 2 plus or minus 4.9 over 2. And again, guys, we're going to get two solutions, right? So we're going to take x is equal to minus 2 plus first, so we're going to plus 4.9 all over 2. And for the second option, it's going to be negative 2 minus 4.9 over 2. So it's two solutions we're going to get. Alright? So 4.9 plus negative 2. That will give us 2.9. So this one is 2.9 divided by 2. And for this one, both of them negative, so we're going to add. So this is going to give us 6.9 divided by 2. And of course, this would work out to positive 1.45. So this is one of the solutions. Did you guys get that? Work out that one now. What is negative 6.9 divided by 2? That works out to negative 3.45. So this is negative. So guys, you're supposed to get two solutions. Alright? And there's the number to call if you want to join my class. 549-2161. I want you guys to leave this one in the comment section. Alright guys, see if you can try this one. 3x squared plus 4x minus 8. And of course, there is the number 549-2161. Contact me if you want to be a part of my marathon coming up in December. Marathon coming up in March as well. Pepsi, XC, City and Gates, everything guys. Let's call that number 549-2161. Let's spend it tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.